Victorinox, original Victorinox Swiss Army Knife, Swiss Army Knife Soldier. I don't see any fingerprints, so that's the Victorinox Soldier knife. Logo here, the grip here is more grippy, so it's really made to be able to hold in your hand. The ring also, there's a tool there. Here. Screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver. Oh, there's the reamer tool, left hand. Okay, the blade, this is the number here, 22, made in 2022, Victorinox Swiss made. Markings there, and 22 the year, and nothing on the other side. The serrated blade, I'm a bit afraid to feel it. You have the normal edge here, and then this might be a little bit harder to sharpen, but it's much easier to cut to close it. Like that. To unlock it. Really interesting. Very powerful. That's the can opener. Maybe the saw. Yeah. Okay. The saw on the Soldier 110. And then I can close it. The satisfying clunk. Just trying to be careful with my fingers around the